Well, welcome back, everyone. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Thanks to those that attended that class that we did over the weekend. Using the strategies from that class, knowing that we are in an uptrend channel from April the 21st, and the primary market, the S&P 500, gave us a bullish enough signal to say that there would be some modest continuation, but unlikely that we are going to sustain up in that area. That was the insight, and we have started a little minor pullback. Now, I don't think necessarily the up is overall done, but a pullback that takes us into that volume point of control down here in the mid 6360s wouldn't be off base before a turn back up. Using the technical tools that I taught about this past weekend, and so many of you became new Triple S student family members of ours, well, using those tools, we knew that the daily chart was still in a bullish setup, but the 4-hour chart was in a bearish setup, and it acts on the next 3 to 5 days. Furthermore, we saw the 1-hour chart that acts on the next 3 to 6 hours start to give us a bearish, then minor bullish, and then follow through with a bearish signal with the triple S line coming down below the fast momentum line, and then eventually moving into the third quadrant from the fourth quadrant, with prices coming down below the speed lines and seeing two bars now effectively almost close the second bar below the bottom of that 1-hour chart MSR channel. We saw a tipping point coming from the 5-minute chart earlier in the afternoon. In the morning, I was looking short. We did see a market that tried to bounce back up shortly thereon after. However, the overwhelming fuel that we have available is not bullish. It's more so bearish. Now, I traded my prop trading accounts in front of active trader room members, taking on short side trades earlier this morning and again this afternoon. I was able to gross in across 4 accounts about $2,844.80. That's, of course, less commissions. And I traded 4 accounts in today's trade. Now, using the Triple S tool, the indicator, in conjunction with the Champion Trend Pack, I was able to pinpoint those key areas where breakdowns are likely to happen. And we saw that 64.15 area as one of those pinch points. And of course, the center of the 1-hour chart MSR channel around the 64.08 to 64.05 area as another pinch point. And boy, did both end up working out quite well. And a big warm welcome again to all of the new Triple S student family members that joined us over this past weekend with that great class. Such tremendous feedback, and thank you for that for coming from that class. And I'm hopeful that this video has given you a little perspective on where this market is set up to go, i.e. potentially down into this territory, and then looking for likely some form of a bounce from there. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. And again, a big warm welcome to all our new Triple S student family members. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.